All right, guys, I am out here in the rain. I've got an umbrella covering me here, but I wanted to show you just how waterproof this kind of extra lean-to auxiliary shed is. I have had this now for about 6 months, and I am very happy. As you can see, I have a bigger shed here, and I wanted to get some things out of this, like lawnmower, and put it in here. I want to show you, again, how waterproof it is. Let me open the door. There's these little latches here like this. Let's open it up and show you. It's getting water in now because it's open, so I don't want to do it too long, but as you can see, I have a lawnmower in here. I keep an extra bike battery, which definitely shouldn't be getting wet, but I'll close it in a sec. Leaf blower, I keep shovels, I keep all kinds of stuff. This stays, let me close it. I keep this out here year round. This stays completely dry. I never have an issue with anything getting wet. Again, let me close it back up so my stuff stays dry. I'm very happy with this purchase. I bought this bluish color. You get it in kind of a flat pack assembly, and it took about 2 hours to put together. It was kind of fun. You just find the numbers and match them. It's, it is what it is. It's not the highest quality in the world, but it's pretty affordable. So you get what you pay for, and I think this is a very good value for what you're buying. My wife wanted it to match the color. That's why I chose this bluish color. I think it does a good job. You could get the lighter, kind of more wood tone, and again, I think this is a great product. I truly highly recommend it. Hopefully you can hear me, and I wanted to show you, it is a real deal downpour out here, but this thing is staying dry and doing a great job.